Hello and welcome to our video on the latest technology. Today, we will be taking a look at some of the most exciting advancements in the tech industry that are shaping the way we live, work and play. From AI to VR and beyond, let's explore what the future has in store. Section 1. Artificial Intelligence. Artificial intelligence or AI has been making waves for quite some time now, and it's only getting bigger and better. With AI-powered tools and applications, businesses are now able to automate tasks, enhance decision-making and improve efficiency. From self-driving cars to chatbots and voice assistants, AI is transforming the way we interact with technology. One of the latest breakthroughs in AI is GPT-3, a language processing AI that has the ability to write content, create code, and even generate music. Section 2. Virtual Reality and Augmented Reality. Virtual reality or VR and augmented reality or AR are becoming more accessible and popular than ever before. With the advent of VR headsets like Oculus Quest 2, people can now immerse themselves in a virtual world and experience things that were previously impossible. From gaming to education and training, VR is revolutionizing the way we learn and entertain ourselves. Similarly, AR is making its way into our daily lives through mobile apps like Pokémon Go and Snapchat filters. AR is also being used in industries like healthcare and manufacturing to provide a more interactive and engaging experience. Section 3. Blockchain. Blockchain, the technology that powers cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, is also making its way into other industries. Blockchain has the potential to transform industries like finance, healthcare, and supply chain management by providing secure and transparent transactions. Blockchain-based platforms like Ethereum are being used to create decentralized applications or DApps, which can enable a wide range of functions such as secure voting, supply chain tracking, and more. Section 4 to 5G and the Internet of Things. The rollout of 5G is set to change the way we use the Internet. With faster and more reliable connections, we can expect to see more IoT devices being connected to the Internet, which will create a more interconnected world. IoT devices like smart home assistants, wearables, and autonomous vehicles will become more commonplace, and the data they generate will provide valuable insights to businesses. In conclusion, the latest technology is rapidly changing the way we live, work, and play. From AI to VR, AR, blockchain, 5G, and IoT, these technologies are shaping the future in ways we couldn't have imagined. As these technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see even more exciting developments in the years to come. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.